He doesn't? Like, as in, like, ever? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'll take care of this. Just call me later, after he goes to work. Gentlemen, that was your girl, and you have a problem. Wanted me to tell you that she's been a naughty girl and needs to be spanked. Who's your daddy? Gentlemen, I'm just kidding. Crap, I just probably got demonetized. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Today, I've got a super special treat for you and your girl. Today, I'm going over 7 things that all women wished guys did. The first thing that all women wished all men did was take control. That's right. A woman wants a dude who isn't afraid to be like, yo girl, this is happening, and then makes it happen, as opposed to, excuse me, Brenda, would you mind if we kind of kiss a little bit, maybe made out, maybe let me feel your boob, and then possibly have the sex? 3 words, shades of gray. Gentlemen, I'm not saying, I'm just saying, there's a reason that movie was so popular. The second thing that all women wish their man did was be extra sweet to them in front of her friends. Her goal is to make her friends so freaking jealous of her because they've got you. You are an amazing dude, right? And there you are being like, oh my God, Sheila, you're amazing. God, you're sexy, you're affectionate, but not too affectionate. Sweet, without being like obnoxiously like annoying. Don't try and like make out with her in front of her friends. Truth is, all women want their friends to be jealous of them. That's the reason why they dress so super sexy. It's not for you, it's for them. They want other women to look at them and think, bitch. Same thing goes for you. You want to make sure that her friends think that you are like totally into her. Now, the other benefit to this, if it doesn't work out with your girl, your options, plentiful. Bringing us to the third thing all women wish their man did, which was dress better. Let me paint a picture for you. There's your girl, right? She spends time, money, energy, and looking great, right? Her body, fine. Her hair, always fixed. Her makeup, done. Her handbag, amazing. Her peep toe pumps, priceless. She looks phenomenal, and you are proud to have her on your arm. But is she proud to have you? Think of yourself as an accessory. Now, you're not as exciting as a handbag, but you gotta look good so that you don't make her look bad. Think about it. Speaking of looking bad, the fourth thing that all women wished their man did was use Tiege Hanley. You think it's a coincidence that women spend so much time and energy taking care of their face and their skin? Women are smarter than us. They know that if they want to look good tomorrow, a month from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, it starts today. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Don't tell your girl, but skincare, what she's doing, overcomplicated, too much money, too many products. Gentlemen, you need to do 4 things every single day. You need to wash your face twice a day. You need to exfoliate your face twice a week. And then you need to apply an AM moisturizer with an SPF of 20. The other thing you need to do, use a moisturizer at night. When you're resting, when you're sleeping, this is when your body is doing what it does, which is rebuild, heal, make yourself super handsome. And the only way that it can make you super handsome is if you give it what it needs. But outfits so complicated. How can I get? Well, gentlemen, don't worry about it. Tiege Hanley, we take all the guesswork out of it. We tell you when to use what product, in what order, and check it out, how much. It's literally dude-proof. Gentlemen, and if you want to take your skincare fight to the next level, go with a level 2 system, which comes with an anti-aging eye cream. But if you want to fight Mother Nature like a Kung Fu ninja, yeah, you see, right, like, yeah, exactly. Level 3, which comes with not only the eye cream and anti-aging super serum. Gentlemen, Tiege Hanley is your answer to looking incredible, not only now, but having amazing skin forever. Guys, there's a link down below. That link is going to take you to our super fancy new website. That landing page is also going to give you an incredible discount on your first box. The truth is, Tiege Hanley is not only the highest quality skincare products you're going to find or your girl is ever going to use, because don't tell her, but our stuff is better than what she is using. And the price, like I said, it is freaking ridiculous. Guys, we've taken the guesswork out of it. We've cut out the middleman to give you and bring you only the products you need at an amazing price. Hit that link and go check out Tiege Hanley. Yes, I told him he's gonna spank you. I gotta go. I'm pitching Tiege. Gentlemen, link below, TiegeHanley.com. Check it out and get handsome today. Fifth thing all women wished their men did was give them presents. Now, you're like, oh, I don't have money, Alpha. I knew it came down to giving her stuff. The answer is it's not about the stuff. It's about the thought. A lot of times the best gifts that you can give her are just little things that let her know that you were thinking of her throughout the day. You don't even need to buy it. You can find it, like a little rock. Be like, hey, baby, I saw this rock. I thought it was beautiful. I thought, beautiful rock. I thought you're my beautiful rock. See that flower? Yeah, you don't need to go buy a bouquet. Pick one out of your neighbor's yard and be like, darling, I think you're beautiful. A beautiful flower. I'm telling you, a plant chant is always a home run. Guys, the deal is this. You just need to let her know that you're thinking of her. Now, the thing is, it can't just be like holidays and special occasions. Random. This is the best thing, and ultimately what she loves the most. Number 6. Tell her she looks beautiful. Not just when she gets dressed up. Like, first thing in the morning, when she's not wearing makeup, just let her know, hey, you're beautiful. Because this is honestly something that women are a little bit insecure about. And with all the crazy like social media stuff, there has never been more pressure to look beautiful and to be attractive. And so by you just letting her know how beautiful you think she is, tell her when she's looking rough and she's gonna be like, me, no, I look terrible. You're like, baby, come on. You look so fine. I like you like this. All rough and stuff. Actually, don't say rough and stuff. Just let her know you think she's beautiful, even when she's not all sexed up and sassy. And last but certainly not least, and one that we all are going to hate, the 7th thing that women wish all men did was watch chick flicks with them. One of the reasons why we as men hate watching chick flicks, because they always have a dude in them that is like some amazing like dude, right? And it makes us kind of look a little bad. You're like, what, is that what you want? You think that's not reality. That's a movie, woman. I'm here. I'm reality. I'm amazing. I got your Ryan Gosling notebook. I hate him. Here's the thing. Women they need you to just hang out with them once in a while. She watches football games with you. She does what you want to do. She even hangs out when you're playing video games occasionally. Do you think she wants to? No. Does she do it because she loves you? Yes. And you need to watch a chick flick because you love her. Plus, when she's all crying and you're comforting her, mascara and snot running down her face and you're comforting her, tell her she looks beautiful. She's gonna be like, I love her. Gentlemen, that's it. 7 things all women wished their men did. Yeah, we're done. He's gone. Okay, I'll be right over. You're so naughty. Peace.